So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now we're gonna find Windows Update. We're gonna scroll down till we find Windows Update, double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. Now once Windows Update has been stopped, we're going to keep this open, but now for the second step, we're going to go to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, we're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it and then click on Windows. Now we're going to find Software Distribution. We're going to scroll down till we find Software Distribution. Double click on that and then click on Data Store. You want to delete everything in this folder. So do Control A and then delete. You can tick this box, do this for current items and then continue. You want to delete everything in the Data Store folder. And now once that's been done, we're going to come back to Services, double click on Windows Update, make the startup type automatic, click on OK, double click on it again, and then click on Start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. You can now run your Windows Update and then the problem should be fixed. If not, then just restart your computer, run the Windows Update and then the problem should be fixed.